Basically, the prostate, it's a small walnut-shaped gland which is present at the base of the bladder, that is at the junction of the bladder with the urethra. And as the age progresses, the prostate also slowly increases in size, and this is known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. It is not exactly cancer, but however, it is responsible for many urinary problems in the elderly age group. So, what causes the prostate to enlarge? Can you shrink the prostate naturally? It's a very good question, but however, you cannot exactly make the prostate disappear, but you can control some of the symptoms and have a better lifestyle with certain natural remedies. Hi, I'm Dr. Suraj Muralidhar. Today, we'll dive into a gland which all men have but wish didn't grow with age, the prostate. So, what causes the prostate to enlarge? Can it shrink naturally? And what are all the latest treatments which are available? So, let's discuss all this in detail today. So, basically, the prostate, it's a small walnut-shaped gland which is present at the base of the bladder, that is at the junction of the bladder with the urethra. And as the age progresses, the prostate also slowly increases in size, and this is known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. It is not exactly cancer, but however, it is responsible for many urinary problems in the elderly age group. So, what causes the prostate to enlarge? Mainly the hormonal imbalance. So, as the age progresses, there is an imbalance in the testosterone and the dihydrotestosterone, and this hormonal imbalance is mainly responsible for the prostate to enlarge in size. Secondly, the age. It is said that more than 50% of people above the age of 50 years and more than 90% of people above the age of 80 years, they suffer from enlarged prostate and prostate related urinary symptoms. Next, the genetics. So, if your brother or your father is suffering from enlarged prostate and its symptoms, it is highly likely that even you are going to suffer from the prostate related symptoms. And next, the lifestyle. Obesity, sedentary lifestyle, they are all responsible for increase in the amount of fat in the body, and this indirectly causes the estrogen levels to rise in the body, causing exaggerated prostatic symptoms. Can you shrink the prostate naturally? It's a very good question, but however, you cannot exactly make the prostate disappear, but you can control some of the symptoms and have a better lifestyle with certain natural remedies. Saw palmetto, it's a very popular herbal remedy for prostatic symptoms. There is no scientific evidence to prove that it reduces the prostate size, but however, it helps in reducing some of the symptoms. Pumpkin seeds and certain lycopene-rich foods like tomatoes, they also help in maintaining a good prostate health. Avoid caffeine, avoid alcohol and smoking, and these help in preventing certain irritative bladder symptoms associated with prostate enlargement. And avoid holding urine for a very long time. So, this helps in maintaining regular bladder timing, and it improves the bladder health and also prevents certain symptoms associated with the prostate. Regular exercise, walking, jogging, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and maintaining a healthy weight, all these help in better bladder health and good prostate health as well. And also double voiding, that is passing urine and waiting for a few seconds and passing urine once again. This helps in the symptom of incomplete evacuation of urine, which is seen in the prostatic enlargement, and also helps in reducing the total residual volume. Now, let's talk about the treatment of prostatic enlargement and the urinary symptoms caused due to prostatic enlargement. There are various modalities of treatment available today to treat the prostate enlargement and its symptoms. First of all, the lifestyle changes like preventing obesity, decreasing the weight, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, all these help in reducing the symptoms. Secondly, there are medications which are available which are very effective in controlling the prostatic symptoms. Alpha blockers like tamsulosin, silodosin, these are very commonly used, and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors like finasteride, butasteride. So these also help in reducing the size of the prostate slightly and also improving the prostatic symptoms. Many a times these two tablets are used in combination. The alpha blockers along with 5-alpha reductase inhibitors are used in combination to treat enlargement of the prostate, and it is very helpful in controlling the symptoms when there is only a mild or a grade 1 enlargement of the prostate with minimal symptoms. Next is the minimally invasive techniques which are used to improve the urine flow and reduce the prostatic symptoms. These are helpful in certain elderly, fragile individuals wherein major surgeries cannot be performed. Some of them are Urolift, wherein the implants are placed in the prostate which help in lifting the prostate and also enabling proper flow of urine and reducing the prostate symptoms. The Resume therapy, wherein water vapor is used to decrease the size of the prostate, and prostatic artery embolization. Here we localize the prostatic artery and embolize, and this helps in shrinking of the prostate. Lastly, the surgical options. The most commonly done surgery is the TURP, or the transurethral resection of the prostate. This is still the gold standard. It has been done since so many years and decades together. The monopolar TURP which was done is still the gold standard. However, nowadays we commonly do the bipolar TURP, which is more effective than the monopolar TURP. And next, the latest is the laser technique, wherein we do the HOLEP, or the holmium laser enucleation of the prostate. Here in very large prostates, we can totally enucleate the prostate, do morcellation and remove the tip as a whole. So this helps in reducing the bulk of the prostatic tissue. So yes, to conclude, the prostate does increase in size along with age in all males. However, you need not suffer in silence. With certain lifestyle modifications, medications, and also timely surgeries, you can lead a high quality life without any trouble. So if at all you are facing any of the prostatic symptoms like frequent urination, nighttime urgency, weak flow, straining, or incomplete voiding of urine, you can always visit your nearest urologist, take timely treatment, and lead a happy life. Thank you.